Hello, what is your name?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Juliet Sukalit.
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
What is your religion?
My religion, ma'am, is Catholic.
Okay, so are you married?
No, ma'am. I'm single mother.
Okay, so do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 5 kids. One is 18, 10, 9, 8, and 3 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 months, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. In the Philippines.
How many years there?
5 years, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
4 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Shikip May.
Shikip May. Okay, so how many square feet of your employer's house?
344 square feet.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
1.
How old?
1 year and 6 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm cleaning before my employer wake up. Then preparing the breakfast of baby boy.
Mm-hmm.
Then when he wake up, I prepare. I give her breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, cleaning the table. Then start cooking the lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Then after lunch, I give food for lunch. Then after that, I give napping.
Okay.
After that, when the baby boy is sleeping, I take ironing. Then after that, starting preparing for dinner. After dinner, mopping, then cleaning first before going to sleep. I sleep 9 or 10
Okay.
times.
Okay, thank you so much.